With exchange reserves at a minimum right now, Shiba Inu coin is starting to get very interesting. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit more about what that means in a second here, but the overall market pulling back yet again today. The fear rising, I believe it's rising. I haven't looked at it yet. We'll look at that in a second here. Fear most likely rising yet again, but we have some very good signs that Shiba Inu coin may be on the verge of a breakout or a potential surge as these exchange reserves are minimal. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over this article, but let's take a look at the price action on Shiba Inu coin really quick. We got a little bit of a pullback today. Yesterday, we had a nice little, looks like a doji candle coming back down, and Shiba Inu coin sitting right now down about 3% on the day today, 1,243 points per coin. Now, this is not a devastating decline. 3% is pretty natural in the cryptocurrency realm, so the volatility isn't scaring a lot of traders. But the overall price action over the last couple of months is scaring a lot of traders. Now, yesterday was a level of 22 extreme fear, and if we refresh that to today, well, we can actually see a level of 25 extreme fear. So that's not as bad as I would have anticipated. It is still very fearful, absolutely, but rising, which means the confidence may be ticking back up. Now, clearly, the current price action may not be factored in to that fear and greed index yet. So later today, maybe tomorrow morning, we might see that fear greed index tick back down just a little bit if of course, the price action continues on the way that it is currently going. But nonetheless, a level of 25 fear or extreme fear is right there on the cusp of extreme to fear. So, good news in terms of the Fear and Greed Index. Let's see what they have to say in terms of exchange reserves. It says the current market of Shiba Inu coin. Now, at the time of writing, Shiba Inu coin is at 1,300 points per coin. And at the time that I'm recording this video, you guys can see that it's at 1,240 points per coin. So, down a little bit further than when they wrote this article. Highlighting recovery from the 21% drop experienced over the last 30 days. This bull occurs despite the meme coin missing the opportunity to carry forward the positive momentum, which is closed for 2024. Now, another interesting data point comes from the total reserves of Shiba Inu coin on exchanges. This is what this whole article is about. On March 16th, 2025, this figure reached a new all-time low. An all-time low. Now, that is very interesting. Of only 93.57 trillion tokens. According to data from CryptoQuant, this amount represents only 15% of the circulating supply. The indicator, it's probably a little more than 15%, right? 500, no, it could be, but I think it's a little more. This indicator tracks the tokens held in wallets on exchange platforms like Binance, Robinhood, Crypto.com, and Coinbase. So why does the decline in reserves indicate potential growth? When investors intend to hold their assets for the long term, they generally withdraw tokens from exchanges. This phenomenon leads to a reduction in the supply available for trading and is often seen as a bullish signal. The withdrawal of tokens during a period of price declines has several positive effects. Number one, the selling pressure decreases as a smaller number of coins are available on the exchanges. Number two, it favors a change in market sentiment, encouraging investors to maintain their positions instead of selling. And number three, it reduces the available liquidity for immediate sales, allowing the value of the asset to stabilize and potentially grow over time. So if you take a look at Shiba Inu coin, and this is very interesting, guys. A lot of people who hold on Robinhood and Coinbase and so on, what they're saying is they may be more willing to sell because, of course, it is very easy to go out there on a centralized exchange like Robinhood, Coinbase, or even KSX here and swap for fiat. You can go and you can sell your Shiba Inu coin for US dollars and then, of course, cash those US dollars out if you would like. That's the intent of centralized exchanges. When they move over to a decentralized wallet, something like Best Wallet here, and I'm going to talk about this Best Wallet in a second, but when they move over to something like Best Wallet, yes, they can still swap their cryptocurrency just as easily, and yes, nowadays a lot of these decentralized wallets allow you to sell, but the intention behind that move is typically to hold. And when people are more willing to hold, of course, the price action is more willing to stabilize or even go up as selling pressure is reduced, and any amount of, remaining buying pressure has an easier impact on the price moving higher. So as price predictions for Shiba Inu coin. Now the forecast on the price of Shiba Inu coin is a reversal is a possible significant increase in the month of March. According to data provided by Coin Codex, the value of the token could peak at 2,900 points per coin. And on average, Shiba Inu coin should trade around 1577. And guys, I do not doubt that we could wake up tomorrow and Shiba Inu coin could be at 2,900 points per coin. I do not doubt that it could be at 1,500 points per coin. But here's the only thing holding us back right now, and that is this fear. You know, if you ask anybody, especially if they're not in the market, if you ask anybody, should you buy when prices are low and sell when prices are high? They're going to tell you, duh. Of course you should do that. Buy low and sell high. But here's what happens. Investors legitimately become afraid, and they sell low. They sell when fear is at its highest. And because of that, they're selling. If fear is at its highest, prices are typically at their lowest. And investors sell. And then they get excited when people are greedy, and they go out and buy. But people only get greedy when prices are high. So people buy high and they sell low only because of the emotion. Guys, we ignore that emotion. Yeah, we could be back with Shiba Inu coin at 2,900 points per coin when we wake up in the morning. It says, if these forecasts materialize, Shiba Inu coin could offer a significant profit opportunity, especially considering the decrease in selling pressure due to the reduction of reserves on exchanges. And I absolutely agree. But we do have to get over that fear. Guys, meme coins are taking another hit today. The crypto market is taking another hit today. And fear is sitting right here. Should be up at level 25 as well. Fear is sitting right here at a level of 25. We need to get over this fear to see the price of Shiba Inu coin rise. So I am accumulating everything that I can out on the KSEC centralized exchange. You guys got a link for it down in the description below. These guys have by far the best selection of crypto and meme coins that I have ever seen available in the United States. All you need is an email to sign up for this exchange. So make sure to check them out. If you guys are looking for a place, you can fund it with a crypto that you already have in a wallet. Go trade all you want, withdraw, however you want to do it. You only need an email address to sign up there. One of the best parts, you guys can trade on up to 100x leverage, and you can do so with futures fees that are at 0% right now on tokens like Shiba Inu coin. So make sure to check that out. If you are looking for a wallet to hold your cryptocurrency on, I've been using Best Wallet for maybe about 6 months now. These guys are maybe 6 months. I don't know exactly how long it's been. These guys are absolutely phenomenal with all of the features that they offer. I love the interface, and actually rated higher than Coinbase Wallet on the Google Play Store. So make sure to check this one out. You got a link down in the description below. I'm trying my best to work with the Best Wallet team so that we can get some sort of a promo going on with Shiba Inu coin and all of that. So let's pad the numbers a little bit. Download this wallet. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.